We're just currently making our way upstream for a domestic animal rescue of a camel. I'm here with my fellow Foxtrot team members, as well as surf lifesaving and SES members. So as you can see, the river's up quite high at the moment. Why we're going so slow is so we don't cause too much wash, and that will then cause damage to people's houses and the environment. So we'll let you know once we get closer to the rescue, and we'll get some footage of Gina, the camel that we're going to rescue.
Has anyone wrangled a camel before?
It's domesticated. Rescue. So Gina, let's go. Good girl. Come on, Gina. Good girl. Come on, girl. That's a girl. Come on.
Gina, the very reluctant camel, making buddies with Wally.